Hi guys, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Right now, Ethereum could continue to the upside and we can find a very good entry, but the market could also break to the downside and we can also see a very good potential to sell the market. Continue watching this video and I'm going to show you exactly what I see. I just want to see what the market actually been doing, and I told you guys that this wick right here that we had a week ago, I believe that the market will fill that wick up, continues down here, and then we just might see the market continue to the upside because we've been going up for a lot of weeks on Ethereum. The market might just do its pullback. If we go down to the lower time frames, we did talk about this area. We had a box. We were consolidating the whole time. The market broke to the downside and it actually comes right into our trend line that we're having here. The market actually is breaking it right now, so that's when we're going down to the lower time frames to see what's happening. I have two options right here. If the market breaks to the upside, because obviously we are in an uptrend, you see at the higher time frame we're doing higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right now we just might break this higher low that we're having here. The market might just come down a little bit and then continues to the upside. We don't know that yet. You can see right here, the market is going sideways. And if we want to sell, we need to look up for where the market can reverse. The market comes back up here and retest this area that we're having. Let's respect this low and give us some candlestick patterns that shows us, okay, yeah, we're gonna continue to the downside. Definitely see a potential TP around here. But I think the most important part, if the market actually breaks to the upside, comes back down and retest as a new support, give us some candlestick patterns, I definitely gonna buy around this area right here. And then we'll have first TP can be around here and the second one around here. This can be potential. If the market breaks to the downside, you can see on the higher time frames that we do have a support right here. And the market is going sideways right now. See, when the market going sideways, it usually comes back down to the support. The market can definitely come down around here. Depending on how this 4-hour candle will close, that's when I will see if I'm gonna sell the market. Because you can see on the higher time frames that we do have a pretty strong bearish candle, but the important part here is that we're still doing high low, high low, higher low. It still respects this low that we're having on the higher time frame. If the market will continue to the downside, the area where I would sell, if the market breaks this zone, comes back up and retests it and then continues to the downside, and then my potential TP would be around here. The market can take this higher low out, continues down and respect this low that we're having. If the market comes to this zone that we're having, you'll see on the higher time frames that we do have a candlestick looking like this. And when the candlestick does look like this, you do not want to buy it because this is too strong. It's too strong of a momentum that we're having right now. So I definitely see a potential sell. If it breaks this zone, comes back up, retest, sell. If the market comes to the upside, breaks it, come back down, we're not just retesting a support, we also retest the trend line that we do have around here. This is why I'm always talking about why it's so important that you're using the higher time frame candlestick, break it down to the lower time frame candlestick, because that's how you read the market. The market is telling you the whole time what it's doing. Go to the 1 hour, you'll see it's just a lot of noise going on here. Like, you don't have a clear direction. Yeah, the market comes down, respect the support, and it moves sideways. You usually just come back down to support, comes back up to resistance, come down to the support, and with time it will break either to the upside or to the downside. If the market breaks to the downside, you can definitely find entries to sell the market. If it breaks to the upside, okay, now we have a clear direction, the market is going upways. So what do we want to do? We want to wait for the market to break, come back down, buy the market as low as possible. Right now we're also at a support that we're having that's pretty strong. It's been here before. We have a previous resistance, spiked up, a support for a while, comes back down, support, and a new support. So this is a very strong area. But if it breaks this one, remember, breaks to the upside, retest it, sell the market, because we have a strong momentum to the downside right now. If it breaks it, it also breaks the trend line that we're having, and it also breaks the support turning into resistance. When the market comes around here, we have to wait and see how the market reacts to it. Does the market start to do higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low? Does the market break the downtrend? You can see that on the lower time frames. So will the market break the support that we're having, turning into resistance? Or will the market break this resistance, turning into support, and then go straight up? That we don't know. That's why we always have to follow price, and that's all that I'm having for you today. So please like this video and also subscribe. So let us follow price together and see what the market is doing. Have a great day. Bye.